But we've got Sanjeev Goenka, the chairman of Firstsource, joining us for CNBC TV 18 boardroom. Hi, Mr. Goenka. Thanks for taking the time out and joining us. True to your word, Firstsource has been consolidating and going back on the path, the growth recovery path. What's your expectation how FY14 will look like in terms of the revenues as well as on the margin front?
Well, quite honestly, I think the first half of FY14 would be reflective of what FY14 would eventually look. And if you see this quarter, we've had a 24.5% jump in our PAT compared to the Q2 last year, and revenues stand at 790 crores. So I think overall it's been a decent performance. It's been a performance of consolidation and growth combined, and we would expect to see this trend going on for the next 2 quarters for sure.
Hi, Mr. Goenka. Good afternoon. I also understand that you've repaid some debt this quarter. So what does your current debt stand at, and what are your debt pairing plans going forward?
Well, I think we have an obligation to pay $44.5 million of debt every year, which is about roughly $11.2 million of debt every quarter, and we are bang on schedule on that, and cash flows have been positive, and we are looking at the prospect of prepaying if we can. We're looking at the costs associated, if any.
Is there a possibility you all can prepay anything in FY14, or it's going to happen only in FY15, the possibility? And how much would you look to
Well, I think it will probably be more like FY15.
And how much could you prepay it by, given the cash generation?
There's significantly positive cash generations, and I think we expect Q4 of 14 to be very strong in terms of cash flows, and therefore you could see a possibility of prepayments in FY15.
And Mr. Goenka, what were the deals like, the big deals that you signed this quarter, and what is the pipeline now looking like?
The pipeline is pretty strong. It's above 350 million, and we converted about $33 million of the pipeline into deals this quarter.
Okay. Mr. Goenka, whenever we've last spoken to you about the company, you've always indicated that FY14 is going to be a year of consolidation with a focus on profitability. You've already managed to increase your margins. EBITDA margins, if I look at it, has come to about 11.3% thereabout. How much further could we expect margins to improve in the remaining 2 quarters and even in FY15? Your target level on margins by when?
Well, frankly, this represents a 3.1% increase in EBIT margins, which is pretty significant. I think the last quarter you will see another jump in margins. I wouldn't like to put a number to it yet, but it would certainly be better than this quarter, for sure.
And just one quick question. You said that the cash flows have been improving. Could you tell us per quarter what the run rate and the cash flows have been like, and particularly in Q4, which is going to be the big quarter, what could we expect?
Cash flows have been strong, and I can say that we today sit on about 150 crores of cash and cash equivalents after having repaid all debts on due dates.
All right, Mr. Goenka, appreciate your time this afternoon. Thanks much for joining in, and all the best for the rest of the year. So that's the management of Firstsource there. The numbers have come out fairly decent, but the stock down about 0.5%. Also some comments coming in from the banking secretary, for the moment ruling out any extra capital infusion besides the 14,000 crores.